Hey everybody, Lombardi25 here. Just got back from the local card shop and picked myself up some of this Flair Showcase 2013-14 hockey. Saw a couple of breaks yesterday and it actually looks pretty nice. So, see? I used to love the old Showcase stuff. Oh, come on. Wow, I just need to get myself a box cutter, I guess. Because I'm terrible. Alright. So you get a Hot Prospect autograph patch, and what does it say? 2 more autos or memorabilia per box, so that's what you're looking for. Because I think they got a bunch of different like parallels and inserts. All that fun. Alright, so that's what the base cards look like. I'm not going to know half these guys as usual with hockey. Oops. That's probably a little better. Camera was all shaky. Numbered card, Mike Sislo and Eric Gillinis, Hot Prospects, numbered to 299. So like a rookie card, I guess. Dummy. Reminds me of the old school designs, just like old school cards in general. I like it. It's on a decent card stock too, not cheap. Kind of reminds me of like Flair Hot Prospects, things like that. I don't know. What do I know? Alright. I move the chair over a little. Alright, we have a couple things here. Let's see what this is. Patrick Roy, Middle Universe. Nice. Ooh. I'm gonna guess that's actually a really freaking nice card. Wow. It's like a Prism Skybox International, no, Skybox Premium insert, or parallel insert, whatever you want to call it. 21 of 50. Wow, Wayne Gretzky. Those usually sell like really nice, or worth a lot. But I don't know if this product's the same. That's really cool. We shall see. Like I said, I don't really know hockey as much as other sports, but I like opening it because it's, I don't know, it's different. Always have nice patches and stuff. Felix Potvin, Middle Universe. Come on. John Tavares, Skybox Premium. Oh, so that must be... Yeah, so that's the base version of that, of the Gretzky. So I'm guessing I don't know, the Gretzky must be like a red, or a Prism, or something, I don't know. Another one of those, Bobby Orr, nice. Man, I'm telling you, if you ever want to stock up on dummy cards, just buy a bunch of Upper Deck stuff. Oop, I see a really thick hit in here. Which way is it going to go? It's got a Hot Prospect, so this is my patch auto, I think. Nope. And it is Christian Thomas for the Canadians. Numbered 070 of 350. Alright. I know the Canadians have that other guy, I can't pronounce his last name, Gerald something. I don't know, not the greatest patch, just red, but decent. Say anything about his draft or anything? I have no idea. No. Alright. Hit number 1. So we're looking for either 2 autos or 2 memorabilia. And then I'm going to have to decide if I want to get one more Upper Deck, or another Upper Deck football, or one of these. See how the rest of this goes. Matt Duchene, Middle Universe. Upper Deck's been putting out some decent stuff lately, I'd say. A Forsberg Fleer Ultra parallel or insert, whatever, numbered to 99, 45.99. Nice. Jeez, these packs like to stick. PK Subban of the Skybox Premium insert. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left. 2 hits, 5 packs. And there's going to be another one. Looks like a memorabilia of some sort. Dual Uniformity. Emerson Edom and Ricard Recol for the Ducks. And no numbering on the front or back. Another Flair. It's the regular Flair Ultra, so I don't have that card. Oh yeah, I do, right here. So there you go. There's the parallel and the base. I got a stack of cards that I'm getting ready to take pictures of and stuff for my photo bucket and all that. Oh, another one. Ooh, wow, that's nice. I don't know if this guy's any good either, unfortunately, but I guess I got 2 patch autographs in this one. Quentin Howden for the Panthers, number 375. Very nice patch. 3 colors. You got well, I don't know which ones. They kind of both look black, blue, black, navy blue. I don't know, and then white with the stitching. So, wow, very nice. I don't know if that's an extra hit or if that's just normal. You know, you can get that. Jonas Broden, Middle Universe. And last pack. And I see another hit. Very thick one. Come on. These packs stick on the corners. Pain in the ass. Another fucking... Excuse me. Another patch auto, I think. Yep. Emerson Edom for the Ducks. Holy moly. Another one numbered to 375. 274 of 375. Nice. Well, I think I got a pretty good box. So, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Bruins start the playoffs tomorrow, so that was another... I'm kind of in hockey mode right now. I don't know why it took them so long to start this season, but I guess it was good since they all had the flu. But anyways, hope you guys have a good rest of the weekend coming up, and I'll see you all later. Thanks for watching. Peace.